Hello, this is Nolan, and I'm going to give a quick Rangesherpa tutorial on the week 2 AI environment setup and Python script assignment. I just added that assignment on the resources tab here as a PDF of the instructions, as well as a lab under the CyberRange labs, as you can see right here. And so when you go to the link that we provided in Slack for Rangesherpa, you'll be met with this kind of blank screen with a toolbar. And you'll want to go to the CyberRange Labs tab, select your course, and you'll see the lab that I added. And this just says it's been populated, and you'll want to go over to settings and confirm that the system prompt has the instructions that align with the assignment you're working on, because this is what guides Rangesherpa in guiding you. And once that looks good, you'll come over to live, and it will give you some different details about all the functionalities you can use. But for our case, we'll just want to hit play and share our screen and then talk to the agent. So we'll need to enable our microphone as well. I'll continue with recording. I'll share my entire screen just as we may be flipping between tabs. And yeah, get started. Hello, I'm working on the week 2 assignment, and I've installed Python and opened my terminal, but I haven't done anything else. Can you guide me?
Okay, I can guide you through the rest of the week 2 assignment. Have you created a project folder in a virtual environment yet?
No. What are the commands for that?
To create the project folder, you can use mkdir week 2 Python in your terminal. After that, navigate into the newly created directory using cd week 2 python dot. Would you like me to give you the command for creating the virtual environment as well?
Yes, please.
Okay, to create the virtual environment, use the command python 3-mvenv. After the virtual environment is created, you need to activate it using source venv/bin/activate dot. After you do this, you should see venv pre-pinned to your terminal command line. Let me know when you've done this step.
Okay, done.
Great. Now that you've activated the virtual environment, are you ready to open the folder and cursor and create your first Python file?
Yes, I'm opening that now.
Perfect. Once cursor is open, create a file named text_cleaner.py and add the line print hello from the text cleaner project to the file. Then save the file and run it in your terminal using the command python text_cleaner.py. After running the file, you should see the line hello from the text cleaner project printed in your terminal. Let me know when you've done this.
Okay, I'm done with it. I think, is there anything else I need to know, or just follow the code instructions from here?
Now you'll be modifying the file to introduce functions. Are you ready to proceed with the next step and start building the text cleaner incrementally?
Okay, so I basically just wanted to show you how you would use Rangesherpa for a lab to make sure that you could get the specific instructions for the assignment you're working on. But now that that's done, from here, the rest of the assignment is pretty straightforward. So we just made it to this step 5, the first Python file. And then, yeah, so from here, you'll just replace this, and I'll show you that. And also, I wanted to mention that in Python, it's important, I mentioned this in the instructions, but tabs and spacing is very important. So this does not, obviously it does that squiggly line, which means it won't compile. This does not mean the same thing as this. And so it's very important. You might see a tab here, and when you copy and paste it, it might not copy over so that just to avoid some potential issues, spacing is important. Enters don't matter as much. They do matter in some contexts, but not between like functions and stuff like this. So yeah, and then to run it, you use the same command, the AI student, and yes, so then you can just go through, and there's 2 more updates to the code base that teach you some Python scripts, and you can just run it. And by the end, it should look like this. And I'll just show you real quick. And so we can enter some unclean text, like with a bunch of stuff that shouldn't be there, and then it will process it into something that's clean. For the idea is that this would be a function used in text cleaning for AI pre-processing. And yeah, then you're done with the assignment, and you're all set. So I hope this helps, and good luck on the week 2 assignment. Thank you. Bye.